Welcome to the new App Builder website. We just rolled out a new user interface. All of your content that was uploaded to the old App Builder website will be available in this new user interface. You do not have to move any of your data or content over. Everything that you've previously uploaded is available on the new site automatically. Okay, so let's get started. This is the stops editor, and when you want to create a new stop, you click New Stop. Stop name goes here. You can manage your categories here with this button. After you create a stop, just add it to the category. Okay, created a new stop. You upload your images here. In the same exact way, just upload files and choose your files. Add your image to your stop or your audio as well. Description goes here. Enter your address just like in the old App Builder website. Generate your pin. It's still drag and drop, nothing new there. And here's where you edit your custom map. If you have one uploaded, you can manage it and you still have the map markers. And then if you want to navigate between the different categories, it's a little bit different. It's at the top here. So you just click on the top to navigate the categories or see all the stops. And you can add new categories again by coming over here, manage categories. On the left-hand side, you can access the features. You can manage your list label, your GPS map, custom map, turn it on and off, manage your labels, put your Twitter feed, and you can also manage your categories from here as well. That's the new App Builder website.